Yeah.
What's up, please? Get that jacket. Woo! Sit on this jump, man, real quick, man. I just want to sit on it.
You want to sit on what?
This jump right here.
Don't fall.
I ain't.
We ain't got no insurance.
Woo. I'm taking this bitch stuff off.
You doing what?
I'm taking this bitch. Boy, I can like your head, man. All we need is a highway. Woo. Woo. And she ain't that heavy. Woo. She lighter than that hard.
She killing that hard.
And she said, when you went up to
Down to Alabama.
where you go yesterday?
Yeah, this is last year. Just ain't brought it out.
Oh, ain't no key in the car.
Oh, you got the kid.
Oh yeah, safety first.
Remote. Like the
Hang on, these darn airplanes.
Okay.
It's in neutral, ain't it?
Nah.
Come on, these niggas, we got to get out here. Ain't no place here.
Woo! I don't know how that.
What the heck? What the heck?
I already got the slap.
What's up, guys? This is a big secret I was supposed to hold all year long. But it's a surprise. It's a surprise for my cousin. He knows nothing about getting it. So let's maneuver inside the place. And we inside the masterpiece. This is the big surprise. Come on, bud. You don't know yet.
Merry Christmas, Tony.
Merry Christmas, Tony.
So pink is gotta go for pink. Hope you enjoy it. This is on the LED light in the trailer, and it looks good. So
Look at that. Look at that paint. Got that glitter.
If you watch the Water for a Sandwich, you know she loves glitter.
I love glitter. What's up, guys? This is Random Examples here. I got mad examples and extremely mad examples, and we are trying our best to keep this secret. No, we're gonna keep it secret. This is gonna be one of the greatest Christmas surprises I've ever witnessed. What about you? What do you think?
Hey, hand me that light, bud.
All right, I got the flashlight just to give y'all a little bit of view of that custom paint. Custom paint. Ooh. Extremely mad examples here. Took the seat off, just checking everything, making sure it's all good. Looks great, intact, in place. He done wiped it down for you, cuz. He done glossed it up for you, cuz. This the live, cuz. Alright, cuz. Let's get a little pop. Ooh. I get my little. There you go.
I need a Phillips head screwdriver.
Ooh.
Like, the guy just bought you a brand new battery, but of course, with a brand new battery, you have to charge them up overnight. So hopefully tomorrow it should be completely charged. So you got your power, your battery tenders. I got my battery tenders hooked up. He gave you one as well. I wonder if this one's better than the one I got. They should have put more juice to it. Either way. Fast Max. I don't know. It's worth a try.
Got your speakers. Got your radio installed. Look at the bike handles.
We got an aftermarket exhaust.
Ooh.
Highway bars.
Look at that, look at that. Let me catch that angle. First of all, let's talk about this glitter. Yes.
And as the man said, all you need is a 21 up front. You be ready to ride.
Drop comments down below of what name he should go with. I like Incredible Hulk myself. Ooh, she pretty, cuz. Merry Christmas, cuz. Merry Christmas. Hold up, Tony, you bought that. Oh, I'm finna say, I ain't got no more room in the house, but I can make some.
You don't have to. He sure was.
I was about to say, Shantae, I was about to be on your side. She clearly told you to hold on.
No, ain't no 45. Hey, you say you like this one, so I'm gonna flip it, man. What's going on?
Dang, it's nice. I thought you said that was mine.
You're not pulling out, cuz. And you on the couch.
On the couch in the garage. Say what?
Damn, cuz you're not on strap. You gotta strap all this shit back on.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Shantae. Merry Christmas. We out here.
Getting on it. Oh,
Hey, man, don't mess up my bike, dude. Until she say something. Oh, Lord. Ooh, that wind went right up my...
You gonna push Tony in the bike?
What happened?
Jennifer.
No, back gonna hurt.
No, nothing for you to die. You gonna push the bike and Tony?
Y'all underestimate me. There's no power, a little more. You ready? I'm waiting on you. 1, 2, 3.
You got the brake down?
Oh, wait a minute. Not the custom paint. Babe, did you take all of it off? All the stripes off? What they call straps? Jesus Christ. Can we get this alone? Oh. Oh, you got one too? Oh, it's the same one.
Yeah, I told you.
I like the color. That mean green. That's candy.
Yeah. That is. It's that candy green.
That's that Jungle Ratchet.
Yeah, baby.
Dang. I've only seen it in the trailer. Oh, man, it's supposed to be mine.
That's the one I was talking about. That's the exact same bike as he. Almost. Got one on.
Take it down the street back up. Baby Shantae, I'm feeling for you.
You see Shantae's face? That ain't happening.
Come on now.
Yeah, you had liquor, huh?
Yeah, come on now.
What did you have to feel?
Get on that thing and drive down the street. Go ahead, Mark. Let her see how it sounds going down the street.
I'm down. Look.
Don't want to get on it because you know he's going to fall in love.
Oh, careful. Like say, scooch it up. What was that? Oh. Freaking technology. It's technology is a mess right now.
I ain't even got damn cell phone service.
Excuse me, Red.
Dude got service. What is happening?
I ain't even got damn
Got you,
service.
baby.
Got a back seat. I'll play something.
I love this color. You don't see this color. This gotta be custom. You ain't gonna see this color. Keep on.
Go and get him a hat.
Damn. Too cold. Michael.
My damn phone ain't working enough. They do.
Look at you live. Yeah, he like that.
Music lives here. Nashville's home for hip hop and R&B, and the best new music is 101.1 The Beat.
Did it ride good?
Got that kid sitting down, cuz.
You like it?
Yeah. I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Y'all watch out, watch out.
Y'all two with the ball and joke.
Merry Christmas, son!
Y'all gotta clean the garage off first.
Keep going.
That's
Keep going. Keep going. How you feel, cuz?
Man, playing the joke on hard got joke. Good every day.
Yeah, what she said.
Every day.
You can't do nothing wrong now.
Oh. That was a blooper. I can't feel my fingers.
She'll be like, what? What you say? What?
Woo! Yay, we got him good, didn't we, Mike?
Got the RAM mount for the cell phone. That's behind 2-in-1 already tuned.
Oh yeah, I got gas.
And the lights.
The lights, that's a one-off paint job. I'd have to pull it back in the trailer.
Custom paint, cuz.
But you're gonna have to download the app though. You got LED lights already on it.
Yeah.
You control it with your app.
I ain't gonna cry. Big crying going on.
Now he already.
Did good, Shantae. I'm so proud of you.
I was crying going around the corner. I'm through crying.
It's cool to be sentimental, you know what I'm saying?
I didn't even know it had the hill shift. I wasn't paying attention.
Got the highway bar, and you know about them. These don't come on. Them extra, they come with the bike, but you have to buy them extra.
Did I give you the key?